In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Binance wallet or any compatible Web3 wallet to PancakeSwap on the BNB Smart Chain safely and efficiently. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to navigate the world of decentralized finance or DeFi using the Binance ecosystem. You may opt for Trust Wallet, but alternatives such as MetaMask or Binance Wallet will work just fine if they suit your needs better. Before we dive into the process, let's talk about what you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need a Web3 wallet that supports the Binance Smart Chain, or tokens that follow the BEP20 standard. Options like Binance Wallet, MetaMask, or Trust Wallet are commonly used in the Binance community. In addition, ensure that you have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover gas fees associated with transactions on the blockchain. It's worth noting that while these fees are usually minimal, they're essential for processing your activities securely and efficiently. Next, make sure you have the BNB Smart Chain correctly set up in your wallet, as this network setting is crucial for the connection. Lastly, you will need a browser on your desktop or a mobile device that supports a dApp browser or Wallet Connect. This setup will enable you to smoothly interact with PancakeSwap's vibrant marketplace. Remember to always use the official PancakeSwap URL, pancakeswap.finance, as this helps in avoiding fraudulent sites that mimic the legitimate site. Now, let's get into the steps for connecting your wallet, using Trust Wallet as our guide, although you can apply similar steps with other wallets if needed. Start by opening the PancakeSwap website. You can do this on either your mobile or desktop browser. Once you're there, look for the Connect Wallet option, and from the available choices, select Wallet Connect. If you're using a desktop, this action will display a QR code on your screen. With your mobile, you might see a prompt instead, guiding you forward. Next, open your Trust Wallet mobile application. Navigate to Settings and find the Wallet Connect feature, which will allow you to scan the QR code visible on your desktop screen. If you're conducting this process entirely on your mobile device, simply choose Trust Wallet from the list of available wallet options when connecting. Afterward, approve the wallet connection when prompted within the Trust Wallet app. Once these approvals are successfully made, you should see your wallet address reflecting on PancakeSwap, confirming that you're connected. These steps are designed to make your journey into DeFi smooth and secure, connecting your wallet to PancakeSwap effortlessly. Whether you're swapping tokens or participating in liquidity pools, confirming a secure connection ensures that your transactions and assets are managed safely on the Binance Smart Chain. Stay informed, double-check each step, and happy trading.